Hello everybody, I'm back with another video. I know I haven't been recording for nearly 2 years, so today I'm playing Jailbreak, my new favorite thing. I also got Robux, so I have the criminal pass thing. Now we're just going to escape. Hopefully it isn't a laggy server. Oh no, Piggy's there! We should escape quickly. Ha! Piggy didn't get us. Going to get a Lambo, which I saved up for. And I also have the Little Bird, aka Buzzer, as I call it, like username. And I also got Mobile Garage. Anyways, we're heading to the gun shop to get the Uzi, which I also got. Now we're going to go to the donut shop in case I lose a lot of health. Oh, it just lagged there. Just have to get a donut. Now I'm going to be going to the buzzard. And then the jetpack. And then we're gonna rob some things. Or maybe we'll do a prison raid so I can get a key card. And kill some police officers. Anyways, let's go to the buzzard. The passenger train has arrived, but I don't have time for that. I'm just gonna go to the bank. Any airdrops? Nope. Bank, here we come. Looks like my car has flipped. Never mind. I think I left it unlocked. I think I left it locked. Nobody can get it. And the past few days, somebody has been asking me to trade my heli because I have the Galaxy Wave too. Gonna lock it. Come on. That's better. Gonna go to a jewelry store after if it isn't already robbed. Or the museum. Or the prison raid. Let's get a jetpack. And today can I please hit at least 100 likes because I'm not popular, you know. And I don't rob the power plant, aka the double P, because I oof a lot in there. Hopefully. Oh yeah, I'm just going to put my helicopter at the top so it'll be less time going to the city base. And if any police officers are camping, I got a short skin so if I just look up and go in, I can go. Not gonna let anybody come in. Hopefully we don't oof. Hopefully. It's very laggy, so I might get double damage. Phew, we didn't. Oh, we did lose some health. I know what to do in here. Just jam through everything. But you can't crawl under them, otherwise you might oof. Just gotta go in here. Go in. That's better. Now we're at the top. Let's check the mini map so to see. Good, there's no police officers. Let's just go to the city Crim. Mineral base. That's better. And as you can see, I saved up for 123,000. I usually get around 50k every day. I'm gonna do a prison raid to get a key card in case the bank opens again. Usually I lock and relock it because sometimes it lags and it doesn't go lock or it despawns too quickly. It feels good to do another video. Any cops here? Yes. One cop in the cafeteria. Just gonna wait here. Hopefully nobody gets the heli. There. Come on, cops, come out! You know what? I might actually go down here. As long as we get a key, it will be all worth it. Oh, the museum open. Never mind. Looks like it's raining very hard because today a storm came. Actually, it was called Storm Ellen. This server is pretty laggy. Hopefully that police officer doesn't shell. Ooh, oh no, that police. With the Uzi it takes around 4 sets of bullets to... Oh, that guy might have left or turned into a prisoner. Have no idea. Or somebody might have went in there. Who's shooting? Oh, that girl. It's gonna oof her really quick. No, that guy got the key. Hopefully it was a pistol though. Good, it was a pistol. Dang it. I might have to go to the other end to, you know, get up. The zoo, that's better. Hopefully Piggy isn't here. Probably not. Good. Very good. My jetpack is working now. That's good. Oof. I don't like the fact that when you go on the jetpack you ragdoll, and sometimes it seems like I gain more damage even though the height is pretty low. Where's police? Ooh. Police is in the cafeteria once again. Hopefully he comes out soon. Hopefully. Come on, Pops. Come out. Face me. Face the mighty Jake. And I also have my username as JakePro353, which sounds pretty good. Ooh, a cop. Cop. Ooh, yeah. Hopefully that cop doesn't come too quickly at me. Cop, come. Dang it, she didn't drop anything. That's bad. Ooh, did she drop something? No, that's just the wallet. I'm not gonna let anybody in. I used to do that, but now I'm not going to. Just wanna kill that cop, the doodle. That copy cop. Hopefully she drops. Oopsie. Is the cop following me? Good. She isn't. Hopefully, nobody go near her. I want to get the key. Yes, it's a key. Now I may get out of here before I get arrested. I might go to the bank now. I don't know if it's open. If it's open. Or I might go to the museum. I don't know. Or the jewelry store. aka the J store for short. Because I watch username and some Creek Craft. Hopefully this is open. I don't think I'll be able to get in even if it's open. Ooh, a cargo train came in. Actually, nah. Because the cargo train doesn't give a lot of cash at all. Only 1,500. Only if you have the upgraded bag, you get more. No, I'll just oof that police. Oh, I think he might have quit or turned into a prisoner to rob some. My jetpack was lagging. Actually, I don't need to go to the top. Oof. The police here? No. I might check the bank to see if it's open. The museum has opened. Maybe the bank is too. I don't know, because the museum you need 2 people. Yes, the bank is open. Finally. Actually, not finally. I just arrived. Oh, I think the thing has opened by itself. That's strange. Asimov, fix it! Oh yeah, and in the next update, Asimov said that he was going to do a small update just to fix the glitch and stuff. And maybe he's going to do like a new vehicle. I saw it in username or Creekcraft. I don't know though. I'm not allowed to use Twitter, so I don't know. Anyways, let's wait for it. That's better. Going to give me 2,000, just as I estimated it to. Now let's have. Oh, the police haven't entered. Gonna get to 2,000. Come on. Ooh, sweaty hands. I always get that. Hopefully we don't oof in here. Just going to. Oh, huh? It's still open. Anyways, hopefully the museum is still open. I don't see any notifications that anybody has robbed it. I mean notifications. Oh, good.